Here's your money. Thank you. So yummy! What happened? Oh, watermelon! I will take it for my cake! Hello, everyone! The weather is... So, do you want to make a watermelon? It's so hot today! And I some cake! First, let's make some watermelon jam! Suddenly had a piece of watermelon! And then, I will make the greatest sponge cake! Crush it, crush I! Bake! Don't forget watermelon jam! Mix them all. I will bake it and wait in 30 minutes. While waiting, why don't we make some watermelon pieces by fondant? Watermelon pieces. And decorating time. watermelon jelly. It's really smooth, and I like it. What color do you like most? Which color? Watermelon is better. No, strawberries are better. Yeah, let's play 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I win. Here's your watermelon. Thank you. Flour. Sugar. Egg. Fresh milk. Bake in 30 minutes. Whipping cream. Sugar. Watermelon. Pandan leaves. Water. Buttercream. Sesame. Fondant. Long time no see, my friends. Amazing! I will recycle it. Thank you. Oh my god, it's so messy. Tada! I have some fruits. Today I will make a bottle of fruit jelly. Let's clean up. What should I do with this? Of course, I will use recyclement. So we have some blueberries, strawberry, kiwi, and mango. Recycled plastic bottles. Remember to recycle to protect the environment. Put them in the blender and puree them. And butterfly pea for the blue. mixture will make our jelly firmer. Mix it, mix it. Do the same with another color. While waiting, I'll make a strawberry smoothie. And let's chill it. Here we are. Enjoy your meal. It's really cool and yummy. All are perfect for a great... Here, what can I do with it? Why is this pot? Water. La 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 la. Jelly powder. La 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 la. Sugar. Corn syrup. Strawberry. Gelatin. Chill in 30 minutes. Chocolate. Good morning, everyone. The weather today is so cool. Wait a moment. Hopefully, I'll catch an eel. Gotcha! Kitty, please help me cut the eel. Today we will make grilled eel sushi. I caught an eel. Wow, you are amazing. Let's marinate the eel. Mix it. And of course, sushi. Let's cook the rice. Cannot lack rice. Add vinegar, salt, and sugar. and keep waiting for the eel to cook. Time to decorate the sushi. Enjoy your meal! Don't forget some wasabi! And sesame! Try it! It's really delicious!